I spent many hours asking ChatGPT to combine different indicators into one fully automated trading strategy. A strategy that would be highly profitable and suitable for both day trading and scalping. And here we go. I finally received that secret code and was surprised at how well this strategy actually worked. We will get to the backtesting results in a bit later. For now, let me show you what indicators are used for this strategy and how the algorithm finds to buy and sell signals. So first of all, let's open the TradingView platform or desktop version or a mobile application, whatever it is, and navigate to the indicator section. This strategy includes 3 free indicators. First indicator that we're gonna need is the Lorentzian C classification. So it's easy. I talked about it in my previous video, but what we need is searching for Lorentzian, and it's machine learning Lorentzian classification by J.D. Thanks to this amazing programmer / trader. I'm just gonna go into the setting, pause the video for a moment, and do the settings as I did. For the second indicator, I used the relative strength index or RSI. If you don't know the whole concept about RSI and how does it work, don't worry. Previously, I made completely dedicated video and session about it, which I'm gonna leave the link down in the description and you can check it out. I set the RSI length to 5 and the upper and lower bands to 55 and 45. This wider indicator reacts quicker to price changes. The third tool applied is the exponential moving average, well known as EMA. Let's pause here again. If you don't know the whole concept of moving averages and how do they work, don't worry again. Completely dedicated session down in the description, check it out. With the length set to 50. This is a simple yet effective trend filter that can eliminate many potential losing trades. Now that you know what indicators make up the strategy, let's understand the entry conditions for buy and sell trades. A long position is opened when a buy signal is printed on the chart. In addition, the RSI must be oversold and the price must be closed above the 50 EMA at the time the signal is issued. Conversely, a short trade is valid when a sell signal appears on the chart, confirmed by the RSI and EMA. The trade is open at the close of the price bar. Now, how to take the trade is really easy. The main rule of moving averages, and first you must wait for a buy signal. It doesn't matter if the market is ranging or it's a trending market and you're looking for reversals or just waiting for a market range to decide whether you want to go bullish or bearish. It doesn't matter. But remember, this strategy is best working on crypto. You can use it on Forex, on major pairs, but I highly recommend to use it on major coins in crypto, like mostly on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And because it's a scalping strategy, of course you can use it on higher time frames. The higher the time frame goes, the more accurate it becomes, just like always I'm telling you. But you can use it, the least time frame is 5 minutes. But if you want to use it for scalping, remember to choose the right exchange, which is, of course, for me is Bybit. I like the animations in the beginning. I like the platform. It's user-friendly. The fees are really low. Overall, it's perfect for someone like me. So I highly recommend, if you want to use that, you can use my affiliate link down in the description and just register right away. And you have the chance to win up to $5,000 of mystery box. Who knows? Maybe you win it. I haven't. Maybe you will. Simple rule. We first must wait for the signal to indicate a buy signal. Secondly, we must check the price must be above the 50 EMA. Then we check down here and the price shouldn't be in the, cross passing the overbought territory, which in this case it wasn't. It wasn't still. It was here. So I could go long. It was the entry point here. Where to put our stop loss. Previously I made complete completely dedicated session and video about risk to reward ratio, risk management, winning ratio, position sizing, which I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. If you're new, especially if you're new to trading, or if you have been into trading for a while but you kind of lost and you don't know what to do, I highly recommend to watch my module 3 playlist, which is especially about psychology of the market and risk management. But here, long story short, the stop loss will go below the latest swing low, slightly below it. The reward ratio is going to be 2 to 1. Okay, so one successful trade. The same is gonna work for short trades. We had a short signal here at this candle. It's not in the oversold territory. It's below 50 EMA. We go short. We put our stop loss slightly above the latest swing high, which is here, and then we go to 1 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, it was a beautiful trade. Yeah, hit our target point right at this moment, and it went way more down. But how you can just increase the chance of your winning, just taking all this leg down, how you can do that? You can do it with price action, which I highly recommend to go my second season, my module 2 playlist. I talked about supply and demand zones and how to come up with, I haven't talked about the price action strategy at the time of recording this video, which I will, but it's really easy. If you know how to find your resistance area here, and then you have your support level down here, you use Fibonacci retracement levels, that is that easy. You know where the market is going, and I highly recommend to go watch those videos. I made videos about support and resistance levels. I made video about EMAs, fundamental indicators, about Fibonacci retracement levels, how to increase the level of your profit, and how to make trades risk-free. You're welcome. So after testing and testing and testing, I came up with a winning ratio of 75%, which is crazy good for scalping strategies. And bear it in mind, this is an average I came up with from 5 minutes all the way to day trading, a daily time frame. But the higher it goes, I even could manage to get for 4 hours time frame. It was something around 83%. So if you increase your time frame, it depends on the time frame that trading in. So let's imagine, like always, I'm always demonstrating this back testing calculations, like with $100. So I can just show you how small you can go and how big you can make it. So with $100 and 75% of winning ratio and risk to reward ratio, of course, is 2 to 1. The number of trades is going to be 100 because we want to take a percentage. The leverage, let's say, in risk management and money management, it depends on your time frame and the asset that you're trading in. But watch those videos from before in my module 3 playlist, and I talked completely about that, how to manage that. But let's say just we use an average leverage of 10x, and I'm trading on Bybit, and let's run the strategy. And as you can see, you can make 73, almost 74k after 100 of trades. This is just a demonstration and the calculation, and it's an average. You can do your own back testing, coming up with your own strategy, modify it, whatever it is. I'm trying to show you the road, and it is you who choose to go on this road, go down this road. If you want to go by walking, if you want to go with your bicycle, take your motorcycle, go with your Ferrari, it's up to you. I'm just a guide here. It is you who decide whether you want to go down this road or not. That's the reason I always trying to make this example for my friends. I say a highway just take you to your destination and you can just drive on it, but a runway can't take you anywhere. So it's the runway, let's say, and it is you who will choose in the end of the day you want to do it or not. So if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me down in the comments, and I would be just like always appreciated and really happy to get to you one by one and answer your questions. And even if you think you can make it better, to share it with us, with our small community on YouTube, why not? I'm sharing with you whatever I got. Why don't you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet? If you like this kind of videos, turn on the notification bell so you're going to be informed when I'm uploading a new video, which I'm doing on daily basis. And please share my videos with your friends, just like always, with your community, whatever it is, with those who love to know all about this on the world of trading, especially about cryptocurrencies. Thank you so very much for watching. See you in the next one.